Hi, this is Cody Sawyers from Oregon2020. Welcome to Advanced eBirding, selecting your location. As you've seen before, when you click Submit Observations, you must then enter your location. We covered the Find It on a Map option in the Intro to eBirding tutorial. We will focus on the other options now. If you have the latitude and longitude from a GPS, you can click Use Latitude/Longitude. You can stand at any point on Earth and identify that location with an amazing array of numbers. Most of us are accustomed to using latitude and longitude as measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds. eBird works with this or a different system that is used by Google Maps, the decimal degree system. It is best to get in the habit of using decimal degrees because there is less room for error if you use the same system that Google Maps and eBird use. If your coordinates are in some other format, you should convert them to decimal degrees before entering them, or you should select Find It on a Map to enter the location. If your points are in degrees, minutes, and seconds, eBird offers the option to enter them as such. To access that option, you click Use Degrees, Minutes, and Seconds, then enter your numbers. But we encourage you to use decimal degrees from now on. By doing so, some of the data entry shortcuts we will teach you later will be much easier. A really important point to remember is that all longitude values in the Western Hemisphere, such as Oregon, are negative values. Your GPS should say easting and northing. If it says westing and there is a positive number, then you simply add a negative sign to convert the value to easting. Let's take a quick look at Google Maps to see how the sign can affect our location. If I enter the coordinates of my observations, it takes me to the exact location I birded at the Finley National Wildlife Refuge. If I forget to enter the negative sign, however, I report that I was birding in China. Now back to the other eBird options. If you are birding across large areas, you can click Select an entire city, county, or state. Obviously, this is not optimal if you birded a specific location. And for purposes of our Oregon 2020 project, we strongly suggest not using this option. Ideally, we want to know as precisely as possible where you counted birds. So combining information from many locations within an entire city, county, or state greatly reduces the value of your contribution. Exact locations with GPS coordinates provide much more specific and useful information. Nevertheless, this option does allow you to select more precise locations for some of the birding hotspots in and near the city you choose. Hotspots are very handy, but you really need to be sure the hotspot describes exactly where you counted birds. Again, it's better to use Find It on a Map or use latitude/longitude options so you can precisely locate where you counted birds. The final option on this page is Import Data. In this case, your location is entered in another program, such as Excel, and when you upload that file, the location is transferred. If you plan to contribute a lot of data to eBird, we highly recommend this procedure to save you time and effort. For more information on how to upload your data and to use the correct format, see our tutorial entitled Advanced eBirding Uploading Data.